Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay November 24, 2023 Friday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong November 24, 2023 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong Friday, November 24, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for November 24, 2023, Friday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 36 million pesos and Ultra Lotto 658 estimated jackpot price is 153 million pesos for Friday, November 24, 2023. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of November 24, 2023, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.